Oh yeah, I know.
Just
You're fine.
tell us your name.
Okay, my name's Felicia Nunez. We are standing here in the Birdcage Theater. I don't know what to say.
Tell us about your family.
I am 5th generation. It's been in my family for like 5 generations now. And it's a wonderful place. Okay, we are standing in only 10% of the building here. The Birdcage first opened its doors in 1881 and remained open for 9 years for 24 hours a day. During that period of time, there were 16 gun and knife fights that happened here. 26 men have lost their lives and 1 woman. There are over 140 bullet holes throughout the building. Let me show you a few, just in this room alone.
I know some of.
Okay, this is the Black Mariah hearse, trimmed in 24-karat gold and sterling silver. It is priced by the Ford Museum, and it is over $2 million today. And it took everybody except 6 bodies to boot hell. And as we go down here, we can go into the poker room. And this was also another way over here where you could get up to the 7 Birdcage cribs off from the backstage.
Who's that?
I don't know. I'm not sure. And as we go down here, we're going into the poker room.